I used to believe my thoughts controlled me. My mind felt like a runaway train, filled with self-doubt, stress, and an endless loop of overthinking. No matter how much I tried to stay positive, the negative thoughts would creep back in. It felt like I was stuck, unable to turn off the noise in my head. I told myself it was just life. Stress from work, responsibilities piling up, the pressure to be everything to everyone. But deep down, I knew something wasn't right. I was constantly anxious, always on edge. Even in moments of peace, my mind was racing, planning, worrying. One night, after yet another restless sleep, I decided I had to do something. I started researching ways to calm my mind, and that's when I discovered Dr. Caroline Leaf. She wasn't just another self-help guru. She was a neuroscientist who had spent decades studying the brain and how we can literally rewire our thoughts. What she said changed everything for me. She explained that our thoughts shape our reality, not in some vague motivational way, but in a real biological sense. Every thought we dwell on strengthens neural pathways in our brain. If we constantly replay negative thoughts, we reinforce stress and anxiety. But if we learn to disrupt those patterns and replace them with healthier ones, we can rewire our minds for clarity, resilience, and peace. It wasn't just theory. She had developed a method to make it happen. The neurocycle. At first, I was skeptical, but I had nothing to lose. I committed to her 5-step process. 1. Gather awareness. I started paying attention to my thoughts, not just reacting to them, but really noticing them. 2. Reflect. I asked myself, where is this thought coming from? Is it even true? 3. Write it down. I put my thoughts on paper, getting them out of my head and into the real world. 4th recheck. I looked at my patterns, seeing where I was getting stuck. 5. Active reach. This was the key. I didn't just think differently, I took action. I started replacing toxic thoughts with new ones and reinforcing them every single day. And that's when things started to change. I felt lighter, clearer. The thoughts that once had power over me started to lose their grip. I wasn't as reactive. I could finally breathe. For the first time in years, I felt in control of my mind. If you've ever felt like your thoughts are running your life, if you've struggled with stress, anxiety, or overthinking, you need to hear this. In this episode, Joseph Navarro interviews Dr. Caroline Leaf, breaking down exactly how you can rewire your brain for better mental health, stronger focus, and emotional resilience. Listen to the full episode now at burnitnutrition.com/podcast107 or find it on iTunes and Spotify under Burn It Nutrition. And before you go, let's talk about something just as important: hydration. Your brain and body need the right minerals to function at their best, and that's where Element Electrolyte come in. No sugar, no artificial ingredients, just pure hydration. Right now, Element is offering a free sample pack with any purchase. Get yours at drinkelement.com/burnit. Your thoughts don't control you. You control your thoughts. Take back your mind. Listen to the full episode now at burnitnutrition.com/podcast107 and start rewiring your brain today.